Welcome to BHAVISH, the mobile apps that helps the nation make online switch in services. Meet Raj and Priya. Their sink is broken, and they need a plumber right now. They want someone quick, reliable, and one who doesn't break the bank. Raj had bitter experiences with home repair service websites because they charge their contractors for leads and advertising, a cost that later ends onto the customer. Big service companies spend large amount of money spamming the site with hundreds of apps and flogging the small local service guys' posts. Raj will instead choose to go to BHAVISH Mobile app that's freely downloadable from Play stores. BHAVISH provides one integrated app for customers and service providers, wherein the local service provider can digitalize their services to clients like facility management, maintenance services, grocers, healthcare, auto care, catering, and many more. BHAVISH is creating a mobile platform that uses cloud technology to completely cut off the middleman and decentralize the skilled trade and service industry, connecting consumer directly to contractors for a variety of services and products. The skilled trade market is filled with fraudulent reviews, biased listings, websites, and large companies that overcharge consumers for their services. BHAVISH transforms it by giving the power of connecting to local skilled trade and services market back to the consumer. A local plumber or electrician can provide the quality services to consumers at 75% less than the big guys. We are aggressively expanding our operations to major cities in India and abroad. BHAVISH app's trusted review on service providers and onboarding of premium services are built on top of the cloud-based AI technology that has faster response time. BHAVISH also supports corporate services by service providers built on framework or rate agreements. We want you to be a part of BHAVISH.